When you have cavities, your conversation partner smells this. Let me show you exactly which bacteria create this smell and what people actually detect when you talk. Bacteria number 1, Porphyromonas gingivalis. This bacteria lives deep inside cavity holes and produces a smell similar to rotten eggs. Bacteria number 2, Fusobacterium nucleatum. It forms colonies in decayed tooth tissue and releases sulfur compounds that smell like decay. Bacteria number 3, Prevotella intermedia. This one breaks down proteins and creates a putrid, rotting odor. These 3 bacteria produce what scientists call volatile sulfur compounds. The main culprits are hydrogen sulfide, which smells like rotten eggs, and methyl mercaptan, which smells like rotting cabbage. When you speak, these microscopic molecules travel from your mouth directly into your conversation partner's nose. They can detect these odors even from several feet away. The good news? Treating cavities removes the bacteria, and the smell disappears completely. Subscribe to Dental Vision 3D Animation to learn how to prevent cavities and keep your breath fresh.